Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol PYDS. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think that's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Absolutely monster move, not only from a price action perspective, but you look down here at the volume, and biggest volume this chart has had in quite a while. Yeah, a lot of the volume came during a 30-minute period, but even after that, still when you compare it to what the volume used to look like, good volume. So a lot of eyeballs on this one. Let's get some levels of support mapped out. Then we'll talk areas of resistance. First area of support going forward is that what I would call the ideal one, meaning, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest? And that would be if the price can stay up above this level here at $2.75. Don't get me wrong, if the price falls below $2.75, by no means am I saying the entire chart's ruined or anything like that. But if the price can stay up above that point, that would certainly make the chart appear the most powerful going forward. Next level of support after that, down here where the bleeding finally stopped today, and that was at $2.60. So in the short term, 275, 260, taking a step back. So this, of course, assumes you care more so about a bigger picture time frame, but that's where the purple line comes into play, which is the famous 50-period simple moving average, keyword there being moving. As time goes by, that purple line is going to move itself higher and higher and higher. So from a very straightforward point of view, Clay, how do I gauge the strength of the overall price movement? Simply put, as long as the price stays above that purple line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control, no questions asked. What about areas of resistance? If this move is going to continue, where are some of these key battlegrounds at? That initial hurdle that stands out, at least to me, I'm going to go ahead and call right there, and this is more so a short-term level, but that's at the $3 mark. And then after the $3 mark, maybe a little bit of a resistance right there at 315, and after that, essentially a blue sky breakout, as the next technical point isn't up until 360. But one step at a time. Bulls first have to get up above the $3 mark. But all in all, a lot of volume in this one, good solid volatility. So we'll see if this one can continue to build itself upwards for the remainder of the week. Still 3 days left. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.